I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 16, that is a letter to daughter. So let's begin with this lesson. Here we will learn about Jawaharlal Nehru and his daughter Indira Gandhi. So here you have to write the name of authors of these books and write them. Here you have to write the authors of these books. This is you have to write the name of this book and you have to write the name of this books or these books authors over here. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I don't know about the passage to India. You have to write the name also. Here the letter begins. Dear daughter, when you and I are together, you often ask me questions about many things and I try to answer them. Dear daughter, जब तुम और मैं एक साथ थे तो मेरे से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछेगी और मैं उन्हें आंसर करने का ट्राई करता था. Now that you are at Mussoorie and I am at Allahabad, we cannot have these talks. अब तुम मसूरी में हो, मैं इलाहाबाद में हो, वो बातें नहीं कर सकते. I am here. I am therefore going to write to you from time to time. मैं तुम्हारे लिए time to time लिखता रहूँगा. Short accounts of the story of our earth and the many countries, great and small, into which it divided. जो बहुत सारी countries, great और small में जो divide हो चुकी हैं. You have read a little about English history and Indian history. तुमने थोड़ा बहुत English history और Indian history के बारे में पढ़ा है. But England is only a little island and India. So, but England क्या है? Is only a little island. एक छोटा सा island है and India क्या है? Though a big country, India big country, it's only a small part of Earth's surface. वो एक छोटा सा part है फिर भी एक Earth के surface का. If you want to know something about the story of this world of ours, अगर हम story जानना चाहें अपनी दुनिया की, अपने world की, we must think of all the countries and all the people that have inhabited it. तो फिर हमें सब countries के बारे में, सब लोगों के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा जो इसमें inhabit करते हैं, and not merely of one little country where we may have been born. So, I'm afraid I can only tell you very little in these letters of mine. मैं डरा हुआ हूँ, मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा बहुत ही बता सकता हूँ अपने letters में. But that little hope will interest you and make you think of the world as a whole. जो छोटी सी hope है, आपको interest करेगी और make you think of the world as a whole और आपको बताएगी पूरे world के बारे में. And of other people in it as our brothers and sisters. जो all people है इसमें my brother और sister की तरह. When you grow up, you will read about the story of the earth and her people in the books. जब आप grow करोगे, आप पढ़ोगे इसमें story of the people of the earth और जो उसमें books होती है, and you will find it more interesting than any other story. और आप उसे interesting find करोगे किसी और story से related और novels that you may have read और जो novels आपने read करी होंगी. So, you know, of course, that earth is very, very old, millions and millions of years old. तुम्हें पता है कि अर्थ बहुत पुराना है, बहुत millions of years पुराना है. And for a long time there was no man or woman living in it. और बहुत टाइम तक इसमें कोई man और woman नहीं रहता था. Before the man came, there were only animals. Man के आने से पहले खाली animals थे. And before the animals, there was a time and no kind of life existed on the animals से पहले एक time था कि कोई life exist ही नहीं करती थी हमारे अर्थ पे. It is difficult to imagine this world of ours which is so full today of all kinds of animals and men to be without them. अगर मतलब impossible है imagine करना, बहुत difficult है कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं रहता हुआ जो आजकल filled है man, woman और animal से. एक टाइम पर यहाँ पे कोई नहीं रहता था. But scientists and those who have studied and thought a great deal about these matters tell us that there was a time when the earth was too hot. जब साइंटिस्ट और जिन्होंने इसके बारे में स्टडी करी है उन्होंने बताया है कि एक ऐसा टाइम था कि हमारे अर्थ पे कोई नहीं रहता था और हमारा अर्थ बहुत हॉट था किसी भी लाइफ को रखने के लिए, for any living being to live on it. And if we read their book and study the rocks and fossil remains, अगर अब उनकी बुक पढ़े और स्टडी करें फॉसिल्स की, फॉसिल्स कहते हैं the remains of plants and animals, we can ourselves see that this must have been so, कि हम देख सकते हैं कि ऐसा हुआ होगा. You read history in books, but in old times when man did not exist surely, books would have been written. तो क्या होता है तुम हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हो बुक्स में, बट इन ओल्ड टाइम्स से जब मैन एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते श्योरली, जब तो कोई बुक भी नहीं लिखी हुई थी. हाउ देन कैन वी फाइंड आउट व्हाट हैपेंड देन? और हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे फिर क्या हुआ? वी कैन नॉट merely sit down and imagine everything. हम बैठते और इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते किसी चीज को. this would be very interesting because अगर हम इमेजिन करें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा क्योंकि what we wanted to and and what does make up the most beautiful fairy tales, और कि हम क्या बनाना चाहते हैं तो क्या इसे fairy tales बनाता है. But this need not to be true, as it would not to be based on the any fact that we had seen. But although we have no books written in those far off days, कोई भी चीज़ लिखी earlier history में, fortunately we have some things which tell us great deal. हमारे पास fortunately कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमें बहुत चीज़ें बताती है, as well almost as books would. जैसे कि कोई बुक बना दी, इतनी कोई चीज़ है जो चीज़ें हमें बता देती है. We have rocks and mountains. हमारे पास rocks and mountains है, seas है, stars है, rivers है, deserts and fossil of food animals हैं. These and other such things are our books for the earth early story. ये चीज़ें क्या है? Books हैं हमारी earth की early story के लिए. And the real way to understand the story is not merely to read. और इस real way सच्चा ये नहीं कि हम read करें about it other people's books, but in the great book of nature itself. हम खाली read a book और जो हमारे nature की उसका हम खुद से explore कर सकते हैं और सीख सकते हैं चीज़ों को. इसे books को read करना important नहीं है. So this letter is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. It is taken from the letters from a father to his daughter. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next class.